Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the recent massive dump of Tensor Coin, TNSR, in 2025 and the panic selling that has shaken the crypto space. We'll cover what caused this sell-off, where Tensor Coin stands now, and what the future could hold. Tensor, launched in July 2022, quickly became a dominant NFT marketplace on the Solana blockchain, known for advanced trading features, real-time data, and a fast terminal interface. It captured 60 to 70% of Solana's NFT market share and supports community-led governance through the Tensor DAO. The platform's success was further boosted by Vector, a leading social trading app, which reached $7.5 billion in annualized volume and 20,000 daily active users within just 3 months. Despite these impressive achievements, TNSR has recently seen a massive price drop, triggering panic selling. As of March 26, 2025, Tensor, TNSR, is trading around $0.16, with a 24-hour trading volume of approximately $17 million. Its circulating supply of 355,952,347 TNSR tokens places its market cap around $72.8 million. So, what's causing the dump? Market volatility and uncertainty are major factors, but it's also possible that profit-taking and bearish sentiment are driving the sell-off. Even with current challenges, CoinCodex predicts TNSR could reach $0.55492 by March 2025, representing a potential 76.64% growth from its current price. Looking further ahead, TNSR could trade at around $1.134653 by March 2026 if market conditions improve. So, what's next for Tensor? The project's strong fundamentals, market share dominance, and governance model could support a rebound, but it's crucial to watch market sentiment and project developments closely. What do you think? Is TNSR headed for a recovery, or is the panic selling just the beginning? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto updates.